channel?
The Parchment Fam.
Alright, so as you can see right now we're on the road and we're going to pick up my mother at work, but we are drop a bomb on her today. So today we are making sure so we have another child, another baby.
Yeah.
And we want to get a reaction out of her and we want to record it. So everybody can get the reaction.
Yeah, because the thing is, we have 3 kids now. The youngest are 18 months, and we always tell everybody so we now have no more that I last. After every child, we always like, oh, that I last one. And some of them might say, oh, attack or not attack, or
yeah, they
so
by say last.
Yeah, so
they might look over here and say we have another one anytime. So
yeah,
drop a bomb today and they know say yes, another one did it.
And actually we not find out too.
We not find out too. So we're gonna get a reaction out there now and drop it on. So we'll get each parent bunny.
Yeah, we'll get
each parent. This is just the first bomb we will drop.
Yeah.
So when we drop the second bomb,
yeah, it's like the 2 of them are like my mother. We get my mother, female mother. The 2 of them always have. Every time we tell them so we're pregnant, it's 2 different reactions.
Yeah, so we want to get a reaction out of them.
So
and make us see both reactions. So
oh gosh.
I want to just watch the whole video. Don't skip nothing, don't fast forward nothing, because I want to get the whole details.
Yeah,
alright,
yeah,
so
man.
now I'm gonna see when we drop a bomb them on them. So
but besides that, we're excited, as you can see.
Yeah, so
even though we always say we don't want no more, we don't want no more.
We don't want no more. Also, if you come and do so, yeah, so we just have to deal with it.
That's how you go.
That's how you go. But here we are going to know. We are drop a bomb them and I go watch and see what I go on. So sit back, grab on the popcorn or whatever and just watch it.
Yeah, because it's gonna be them reaction are gonna be priceless.
Yeah, and I go see the reaction them. So stay tuned and watch the video. Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, me do what I do.
So like I sleep, she asleep.
Alright, everybody, we call her now and she will come outside. She'll come outside and then we're going to drop a bomb, you know. So
she'll come outside, you
know, go see what I go on.
We just there wait.
Yeah, so we there play a waiting game right now. And then time be bomb, you know. Yeah. So when I bomb the drop, now go see what I go on.
I feel sick.
So you feel sick?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know if it's nervousness or
I've been there so long. Alright, yeah, come now, people. Evening.
Boy. What did that 3 degree now? That's why it be? Yeah.
103 degree now.
Most. Let me see why I pass for something for the TV.
That hot, man.
They're going to tonight. Then the temperature is supposed to drop when you get late. No. Yeah.
Why? I remember the other day when you got Bravo. And when you got Bravo, you want a 441. When you got Bravo and you tell me go how you dream fish and sitting. And we tell you say more poison. Eh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, more poison, man. You know?
You just got to fat again. So you call him.
So you call him, I say you call him. You know?
Yeah. So let's say, and when me go on my bed, you know me drip, me go on my bed and stop dream. No. Me go on my bed and me dream say, oh, me see John, I go fishing and he take off his bait after he sit me when I go where he catch a fish and eat the bait. Yeah.
Eat the bait.
Yeah.
What kind of dream that? That's some jungle dream.
Huh?
What kind of dream that? Just me
yeah, me dream say you eat the bait, so that means say catch.
What?
Dream say he
catch. So
I catch, but me dream about the bait.
Oh, Jesus.
It's a me have been laugh.
So you eat the bait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
day I tell you say you mustn't go to your bed and dream nothing again.
Jessica, dream a one, but feel for you the other thing.
Feel for what?
The fish.
Who feel for fish?
Me
Remember she said she feel for fish. Yes, so she a go Costco yesterday and pick up fish.
Yo, me have to laugh.
Me say me feel fish, me feel fish, me feel fish until it's only God no more know how me feel fish.
Yeah.
And ask Wayne if you think I lie me I tell. Me say Wayne, you see how my stomach is sick? You don't never hear me talk about that too?
No, sir. You remember.
You know, ask Wayne if you think I lie me I tell. Me say Wayne, my stomach is sick, you know. I was sick, my stomach, you know.
Why me I tell you?
Yes,
if you start dreaming.
And I said to Wayne, say, I wonder who pregnant, you know. And I said to Wayne, say, John, same time I said to Wayne, say, Wayne, every time John get a new job, he get a new baby. He get a baby. You know what I hear me saying to you, know, other day, and I say, when I say me do?
Top tag, they sit there, put bad mouth pan with. That's how we say.
Lord Jesus.
Another day, always, every time I get one new car, I get new baby.
I drop me say, every time you get a new job, you get one new baby.
I remember we even say every time we go Jamaica with one.
At the same time, Jessica said that too.
Every time.
Yeah, me say every time John get one new job, he get one baby come.
I'm gonna stop getting new work.
Me I say like me have to stop getting new work and just stick with the one work them.
Me say me can't. I know say me don't believe it because me do that for me stomach no sick so feel not at all. No sir.
But your stomach this sick with it, I want them to.
Bile me get bile with what she name there. Nene.
Bile.
Under me arm. When he sitting under me arm, and me say Wayne, who I give me bile you know? Under me arm.
Weird always I get everything you got to weird and I say who pregnant or who this.
I me get it bile under me arm.
Like a Wayne I weakness.
Yeah. Well, it just like other day when me said to Wayne, say Wayne, my stomach is sick. Who is sick, my stomach? Me say me don't know my stomach is sick so. Me don't remember when me did it and my stomach sick so, but it's a shame. Yeah.
Now what kind of sitting that, you know? I see I sign.
Then me not tell you say mama always anytime my stomach sick, you know, say somebody pregnant.
Old people with the old people saying.
I say.
I mean here Jessica and I did something with Jessica when I say feel for. I did pass one remarks and Jessica said, me remember what Jessica did say when me pass the remarks, so when he say feel for.
I want me to say feel for.
I remember.
Chinese food.
And the Chinese food is a feel for.
I remember.
Arwa. You know what I remember?
Me remember something, me remember about something where Jessica said he feel for. I remember when Jessica did come go over university and he said, why anyone me find the Starbucks?
In Nene.
Starbucks, so we say feel Starbucks.
I thought me pregnant with Nene.
Yeah, pregnant, oh yeah.
You remember me pregnant with Nene?
Yeah, I think I remember.
Our Starbucks did it over what's that?
So that's why Jana tired so too.
Really? When you pregnant with Jana, you feel tired, remember? But me feel tired every minute. I'm a mix. I mix it. It be true that the carrot for me time because I tell you say me feel like me don't feel like myself, like me just feel weak. Nice, I have a laugh.
Mr. Man, me go on my bed and me dream how Jan go fishing and Jan eat the bait off at the line.
Which part me I go fishing? Maybe me not get no fish from this, so you know.
Lord have mercy. You serious, you know?
That did he say you want the other Mother's Day?
Remember when you say you want for Mother's Day, you say you want the grandbaby for Mother's Day. Or a birthday, we did say.
It was Mother's Day.
Oh, yeah,
it was
Mother's Day.
something they did a send round for Mother's Day, but ask your mother say like that when they want for Mother's Day. If they prefer one baby or one gift or something.
Oh yeah, I remember for sure.
Well, I just got it text me.
You said it.
Oh,
and you say you want grandbaby.
Jan, make it just drive over price test, but we got it.
Yeah,
Jessica used to say, me no want them a beat.
And he always said that. Remember say I always said that him afraid of them because he lose sleep at night time. But remember from the other day, me always say more want other boy, you know.
Only what I want this time.
I want girl, believe you might believe her. And even the other day, me I say,
But the thing is, like, even a girl picnic, if you hold every girl picnic, they have one different personality.
It doesn't matter, me don't want no more girl picnic.
No, me just say like, Jay and I and Nene, there's two different ways they behave and act, you know?
But you remember the other day, me I say, the only thing missing now, me say me want, me I tell him say, me be pregnant again, me don't want to find out I want until the baby born, and me want home birth.
Yeah.
That's what I tell him, I said, those are the two things me missing, me have to stick them off on my list.
I can't. Beside that day, I said, I want the fish, I want the fish, I want the fish, I want the fish. I never eat too much fish for this good long while. probably you need to go a beach, make me that pan.
A beach?
Or pan requires a fish day. Everybody need one some seafood. But so we have a bad mood all this because all the while.
And my master no bad mood.
Of course, remember the other day I said stop dream.
But me can't help you to drink just because of myself.
So you go somewhere, you look out for somewhere and have a boy or a girl. No. But you don't want a boy or a girl. You know, but me doesn't say which one you da prefer.
So she boy or girl. Straight.
I have nothing to say.
That's him.
Nice.
Oh, she need to go dream this time. Remember, she said she did dream.
You need to go dream so we win some money.
Nice. I hit the aim basically. Yeah. Wait, call you now. I was going to say lockdown, you hold it for baby. I go, man. And I leave here, you know what that?
Say what happened?
With the corona, with the lockdown.
When they say about baby, say what?
I hold it for people, I go pregnant.
Yeah.
Really? And who no pregnant get divorced?
Yes.
Is either they get close or they drift apart. Yeah, tell Granny bye-bye. Say Granny bye-bye. You see Anne? Oh, it's in a room. They want to say bye-bye. Bye-bye. What? You ready for add to your grandkids them? You?
No.
I mean by no.
Oh, you add again?
Me add again? Me add you add to your grandkids them?
Me? I mean, you are add to me.
Yeah?
Again?
I mean by again? Mommy like she like a bad news to hear. Eh? What?
Okay.
Okay, what?
You pregnant?
Watch fancy. Watch fancy face.
Nothing.
Watch fancy. Eh? Oh, what?
Fish them, I made a dream about.
You that dream about fish too? So Vivian a dream about fish, and you a dream about fish. How were they back foot? How what you say? Really? Aliza their dream see? Oh, where the back foot. The first one, they're cocking ears.
You don't understand.
Who don't understand? You can. Oh, yeah, you don't understand. Vivian says she dreams to one whole heap of fish and how she feels sick. That's why she go buy fish the other day.
You go dream sea lizard and a fish.
Yeah. Huh?
What does 99 plus mean?
What? Oh, you look so. You add to your misery. Eh? You know what other grandson? Have you even know Chunky mama brother?
Oh man.
What?
Johnny is so shaky.
Well, space up on the bed for Shala Gianna.
Oh man.
Yes, it is.
You see, you're trying to put together like no man sit aside, but again, I must multiply. So
it's had to be fruitful and multiply. Wasn't that the great mandate?
yeah.
You had 4.
Well, let's hope it stop right there.
Yeah. I suppose God
Is a
sent
boy?
I don't know. My family belly has had a belly yet. Not time yet. You excited?
Oh,
Vivian, excited.
What, you're having a baby? Mommy, what, you're having a baby?
I'm excited and sad same time.
Why? It's bittersweet.
Bitter and sweet.
Why?
One more sweet she pro.
Well,
Good
that's
Lord.
Alright everyone, so guess what? Everybody will watch that video a while ago get pranked.
You got pranked.
Well, the next thing again,
including them, they got pranked, so
yes,
it's a prank.
we're going to see their reaction soon. But before we tell them that, no, before we're going to see that, we have hopes that we not jinx ourselves because, you know, we do a pregnancy prank, you know, say it can backfire.
I know, right? Next thing you got your
bomb in our face, we start laugh after we, again.
But we're not pregnant right now.
Hopefully, we are not right now, and hopefully not
it stay that
anytime
way.
soon. Hopefully stay that way and make sure that and not anytime soon.
Oh gosh.
Anytime soon.
Hopefully we don't jinx ourselves.
And hopefully we don't jinx ourselves, but
so we want to see their reaction. No, we're gonna make you see their reaction. No.
Reaction, so don't stop the video, don't end it. We want to see their reaction.
When we tell them it's a prank, you see how them, you see how they react to.
Yeah, we want to see how they react. So don't stop watching the video yet. Just watch the end part. The party I go epic when you see how they react when they tell them say it's a prank.
Alright.
So stay tuned and watch the end of the video. Alright. You know when they say people, when they say young people dream, when they say young people vision and old people dream.
Oh, thank you.
You know, your party is very happy to know, man. I think they are the Nigeria. Because you see a GP shot, I see not probably prank you. Mommy get pranked. I'm a dream fish. I say to Mommy get pranked. Every day, Mommy say, boy, you know it. You're pregnant because you're too sick. I'm dream fish. You see, you're getting beat. Mommy getting beat.
You be there say I'm hoping to jinx yourself.
Yeah, I'm hoping to jinx yourself.
No, sir.
Mommy get pranked today.
Mommy don't find it funny.
You see people when they get pranked, you must they find it funny.
That's why King can go on so. Straight prank it.
Yeah, you see, I know I feel now.
Mommy get pranked.
That's why King get mad so when he got him a prank him so much sometimes.
We just pranked her.
Mommy get pranked.
What is we find it funny when we watch
Yeah, go find it. We'll tell her that we're having another baby.
Them prank me with both them baby. I'm not easy, you know.
Why?
I
No, stop.
They prank me, man.
Boy. We always have, I say, oh, we not do no prank for our channel, so.
Get a new work and get my new
Say, boy, every time I get one new job, you have to get my baby. Lad, that one,
you see, we did it by news, your prank, you know.
that one,
Boy, I can't laugh.
that one, no full prank.
You say no full, I idiot full prank.
Let me get our first prank. This is a prank 1.
Prank 1?
Me watch King and Shade too much for me couldn't prank. I don't do it when me I come from working up. I don't know me I go believe that.
I'm good. Why? We know if we make it believable, man, of course.
Really get me on that one, yeah.
I'm an idiot full prank.
No, I'm an idiot full prank. This as Kim would have said.
I can't laugh.
That one, yeah, a real pranky.
Because even when, you know, even when him asks him, say him better upset just to see him, because you might figure it out.
Mr. Jessica, the same. When tell John say we can go over price choice. And when me not hear John I say nothing and he eat, me say no man. Me say me say weird.
And maybe I just the fact that said he find out to be pregnant, you know, that could have been why in calm.
Hey.
No, cause she has said, oh, the way you just say you go over price size and no complain. She should have known say
When me left him master and come back for me, I be not hear me say no. You should have known. I see phone up on the city, you don't hear me. I see phone up on the city, you don't hear me.
But you don't know because sometimes we have a phone up there, we have to vlog.
But me don't know what's me in this prank.
That's why we not hide it, because we say, me I say she ever just thinks they want vlog with it.
Yeah, because me don't know me in this prank, man.
Do you disappointed? You're really disappointed with you? No, they're supposed to want other Jayana.
Don't want Jayana fresh.
That's what I say, supposed to want other. You say you think you want other chunky.
Jayana fresh enough?
Me tell you.
Fresh, just be Jayana.
Me tell him say no. You got excited about him. A grandson? A joke. We didn't want to see a reaction.
Five fish and lizard.
Five fish. I see you doing hands, Vivian. Five fish and lizard and nothing me one. What? Boy, we don't know who for fish and lizard and butter no. Everybody get their hopes up. As I say, go up, me not jinx myself. Yeah, that's why I get it over. Joke. It's a prank. Prank. You got pranked. Oh, no, dreams officially sad. I know my one door. What?
Laugh as a cat.
Oh gosh.
Don't make the prank catch you.
Don't make it prank catch me. Prank not catch me. You know you prank catch?